Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Ubersuggest and Ahrefs, two popular SEO tools. Whether you're a solopreneur trying to grow your blog, or a small business owner looking to bring in more search traffic, or you're a digital marketing pro managing multiple clients, this video will help you figure out which tool makes the most sense for your needs in 2025. We'll cover their features, pricing, the pros and cons, and wrap up with a balanced conclusion. Well, let's get started. Ubersuggest, created by Neil Patel, began as a simple keyword suggestion tool but has evolved into an all-in-one SEO suite. It's aimed primarily at beginners, solo marketers, and small businesses. The platform's mission is accessibility. Ubersuggest wants to democratize SEO by offering easy-to-understand features at a very affordable price point. It's got a sleek dashboard, decent visualizations, and caters to people who might find tools like Ahrefs overwhelming or cost prohibitive. Now onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a powerhouse SEO platform. It is known for having one of the largest and most accurate backlink databases in the world. Ahrefs is favored by professional SEOs, marketing agencies, and enterprise-level businesses. While it's more expensive and has a steeper learning curve, it provides you with much deeper data and more refined control over your SEO research and analysis. So if you're looking at SEO from a strategic, data-driven perspective, and you want to outpace your competitors on multiple fronts, backlinks, content, SERP visibility, and more, Ahrefs is often considered the gold standard. Now let us talk about the main features of both. First, keyword research. Ubersuggest gives you keyword ideas, search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and cost per click. You can also see historical data and get suggestions based on related terms or what your competitors are ranking for. Ahrefs goes deeper with its Keyword Explorer tool. It supports multiple search engines, not just Google, and provides advanced metrics like clicks per search, return rate, and pairing topics. You can slice and dice keyword data by country, SERP features, and user intent. We can say Ahrefs is the winner in this case because professionals who need advanced keyword analysis would go for this. But Ubersuggest also does an excellent job for general planning and content ideation. Backlinks analysis. Ubersuggest shows who's linking to your site, the anchor text that is used, and even gives a domain score to access link quality. But the backlink index is limited compared to industry leaders. Ahrefs absolutely dominates here. With over 25 trillion known links, it gives you historical data, new and lost links, referring domains, anchor text analysis, and even broken backlinks. You can reverse engineer any competitor's link building strategy. Of course, there's no context here. Ahrefs wins this one. It's the benchmark in backlink analytics. Site audit tools. Ubersuggest has a straightforward site audit that scans your pages for common SEO issues like broken links, low word counts, missing meta descriptions, slow loading speeds, and so on. The report is beginner friendly and includes action steps for you to take. Ahrefs site audit is far more technical. It crawls your site like a search engine, flags over hundreds of SEO issues, and gives you a comprehensive health score. You can even schedule recurring audits. Of course, in this case, Ubersuggest is easier for beginners, but Ahrefs is more technical and scalable. Rank tracking. Ubersuggest includes rank tracking with historical trends. It lets you monitor how your keywords are performing in specific regions or devices over time. Ahrefs does all of that and more. With this, you get daily updates, visibility percentages, average positions, and a competitor tracking option that lets you see how you stack up. For rank tracking, Ahrefs is definitely the winner, especially if SERP volatility matters to you. Now that the features are being compared, let us talk about the pricing. Ubersuggest starts at $20 per month for the business plan. With this, you have 2 to 7 websites that you can fix. There's an individual plan, at one website for $12 per month. With this, you have one user, one domain, 150 searches per day, and others. Of course, there's an enterprise plan that covers 8 to 15 websites, which goes for $40 per month. Now, there's a lifetime plan where you can pay a particular fee for a lifetime, and this saves you a lot of money and you wouldn't have to pay anymore. How about Ahrefs? Ahrefs starts at $129 per month under the Lite plan. There's a standard plan at $249 per month and the advanced plan at $449 per month. However, you can get started for free by doing a 7-day trial, and the 7-day trial costs $7. With this, you can check if what you're signing up for is legit or you would like to back out. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using these platforms. First, Ubersuggest. Affordable pricing and lifetime option, beginner friendly, decent all-in-one suite for small businesses, and clean UI and helpful recommendations. How about the pro of Ahrefs? Massive data depth, especially for backlinks and keywords, professional grade tools and reporting. It is great for competitor analysis, and there's excellent support and documentation. How about the cons? For Ubersuggest, smaller backlink index, less accurate data in some cases, and limited filtering and segmenting capabilities. And the cons of Ahrefs? Higher learning curve. It's expensive for solo users or small teams, and there are limited features on the basic plans. So here's the million-dollar question. Which one should you choose in 2025? If you're just starting out, or you're working solo, or you're managing 1 or 2 websites, Ubersuggest is an incredible tool for the price. It gives you all the essential SEO data you need without overwhelming you, and the lifetime deal makes it an unbeatable long-term value. But if you're running multiple sites, managing SEO for clients, or you just want to dive deeper into the data and do more sophisticated analysis, Ahrefs is absolutely worth the investment. Its database, feature depth, and reliability make it one of the top tools used by SEO pros worldwide. So to sum it up, for simplicity and value, use Ubersuggest. But for depth and professional precision, use Ahrefs. And that's it on the comparison between Ubersuggest and Ahrefs. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore SEMrush, Moz, and SE Ranking. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.